To adjust sound qualities, first press the audio button. Next, touch the on-screen sound button in the lower right-hand corner. Touch the plus or minus buttons on the screen next to the characteristic you want to adjust: treble, mid, or bass. To adjust fade front to rear and balance left to right, touch the appropriate on-screen buttons surrounding the overhead view of the seats. Touching the DSP tab allows you to turn automatic sound leveling, also known as ASL, on or off. Touch the OK button to revert to play mode.